But space exploration isn't just rockets, satellites, and distant planets, it is also a powerful economic engine here on Earth. In the United States alone, NASA directly and indirectly supports nearly 340,000 highly skilled jobs across multiple sectors, from aerospace engineering and astrophysics to computer science and advanced manufacturing. These positions typically offer high salaries, significantly contributing to local and national economic stability and growth. Worldwide space programs and related industries create millions of additional jobs, fueling economic prosperity and innovation globally.